Today, years old, when I learned that some of y'all have never seen A Nightmare Before Christmas, so I'm here to be of service to all mankind and provide you with a breakdown. This is Halloween Town. Halloween Town functions like many of Americans who are only waiting for payday. Maybe they don't have anything else to do but prepare for Halloween. So 364 days of a year, they're preparing for that 365th day, which is Halloween, and that is all that they do. Let's get into the aesthetics. There are 4 colors in this movie, and that's it. Black, white, red, and orange. Tim Burton said, honey, we don't need any other colors. And when I tell you they didn't put nothing else in there, they didn't put nothing else in there. In fact, if you want to see any colors outside of that, you're gonna have to wait at least 26 minutes when we get into the bread and butter of this film. There is a leader in this town whose job is solely to be the baddest bitch there. Jack Skellington does not do anything except be a bad bitch. Now, being a bad bitch, as I know, can get very exhausting, so eventually he gets tired of it. He goes on his woe is me walk and he runs into a forest that has every single other holiday in a tree. He picks the most colorful one, which is Christmas. So like many of our friends that don't know how to mind their business, Jack goes in there, he sees Santa Claus, he sees the elves, he sees snow, he sees all these things that he has never seen before, and he says, you know what? I'm about to colonize this shit. So this is when crime gets involved. He tells these 3 kids to go kidnap Santa Claus. They can't read, so they kidnap the damn Easter Bunny. Then they're like, shit, this is harder than we thought it is. So they go talk to the villain. The villain's like, I can help you. I'm getting him for a price. So now you have storyline A of the Halloween bad bitch trying to become the Christmas bad bitch. Then you have storyline B of the villain trying to kidnap Santa Claus. And I don't think we can spoil a 30-year-old film. But I'm gonna just say this. The UF Army has to get involved when he goes to drop these dips off during Christmas Eve. The whole delivery of these toys was a hot-ass mess. Toys coming to life, eating Christmas trees, chasing children up and down the stairs. Like, people were calling the cops. Guess what? If the cops couldn't do anything, the damn army had to come in, and they had to go ahead and ground him, if you know what I mean. I'ma leave it up to y'all to watch the rest of the movie, but honey, Jack Skellington was my Beyonce. And just look at him.